Good evening. Well, all week this week it is, of course, Science Week. And now I'm going to talk to you about the past, the present and the future of Irish weather rescue. Now, in the past, our rainfall records go back as far as the late 18th century. Recorded by observers by hand, real treasure trove helping understand Irish weather and climate. Now, present day, many of these records are still on paper, stored in archives and in libraries, but they do require digitisation. So in the future, this is where the Irish citizen comes in. You're very welcome to join the Irish Weather Rescue. Understanding our past weather helps put the present day weather into context and firms up our Irish weather and climate going forward in time too. So that's Irish Weather Rescue. Back to tonight and tomorrow's weather, the main story being the rain, some very heavy or extremely heavy rain on the way now. We've got a yellow status, high-end yellow rainfall warning stretching from Kerry all the way across to Wexford, starting midnight tonight, taking us out till 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Impaired visibility and localised flooding, and these yellow rainfall warnings could yet be upgraded to orange in over parts of Cork and indeed Waterford too. So low pressure to the southwest of the country will feed up really very active weather fronts overnight tonight and indeed into tomorrow too. Squeeze being generated on the Isobar, so very breezy at times, driving rain in fact along southern counties especially. That really heavy rain will push off northwards through the nighttime hours, and then on Wednesday it looks like most of the heavy rain will affect southern counties for daytime hours, but it will advance northwards during the evening and nighttime hours. And then Thursday, not a bad day, some sporadic falls of rain embedded in the flow. So tonight, well, a lot of dry, clear but cold weather in the short term, temperatures down to the single figures, misty and foggy for the North Midlands and Ulster too. But the real story will be this very heavy rain, which will move into the southwest fairly shortly and will track nationwide as we go through the course of tonight. Some really dark blues corresponding to some high rainfall accumulations overnight tonight and into tomorrow too. So spells of very heavy rain tomorrow, a very wet day nationwide, especially in across the south and southeast, bringing localised flooding here and even up across the North Midlands and Ulster too. Some high totals here during the latter stages of the day, but a clearance will set in across the southern half of Ireland through the late afternoon and early evening. Temperatures then tomorrow 11 to 14 Celsius with brisk southeast winds, gales in effect for the south and east, and those winds will veer southwest in the clearance later. That's your latest weather update. Very good night.